Guys, today we're here by Mommy. She is doing her Christmas slime. We have Christmas tobacco. The season is over. So she waited on the weekend after New Year's to do her Christmas slime. So, and we have the guys and them outside. They're going to be cooking their wild meat. Daddy's done doing the duck. Emma's parents are going to come over and that's it. So, we're going to show you what Mommy Christmas slime going to look like.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
She too lazy to get up. She too lazy to get up and say hi to them. But all they like she.
No, I could do these things.
Guys, Dave actually turned in a pot.
You know.
What? What?
Ready for your drink?
That duck gonna taste real good.
It's on Sunday.
Or maybe not. I don't know.
Nah, it's on. This is the Iceman. Setting up the Gucci. I just here for moral support. That's Gucci.
Dari big tower, whatever.
I'm here with the Gucci chef. This is Gucci, guys. Something that I don't eat. How you cooking it?
Curry stew.
Curry stew. I wouldn't be able to tell you how it tastes because I don't eat nothing. Forest-wise.
You eat no forest food?
No, I don't eat no forest food.
You see, it should be that gravy. It should get cold when it's dry.
Yeah, but that's chicken. Oh, yeah. Good.
Iceman gonna cook the
Gucci.
goodie.
What light frame, man?
The Gucci.
You got the sugar?
Pretty light in. Still light? Yeah, let's get it out there.
Money already, everything.
What's that?
Yeah.
So the heat get blazing, you know. Yeah, that like good Laura. Yeah, Dave, go ahead. They might get too black.
Goody, guys, that's Victor's goody. So remember, well, anyway, you all wouldn't know, but Dave is not a duck person, and because it's 2019, he's gonna have a taste of Daddy's duck. Let's see this. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right there. No, right there.
And we also have fish we're gonna do stew pork.
And then giraffe pork.
Over there. And then he's gonna do some giraffe pork. Understand who's gonna eat all them food, you know? So look at everybody in the background. Look, Mama, little Mama, say Happy New Year. Happy New Year again. She know who she's talking to now. Look, she said who? Mommy wish everybody Happy New Year. Welcome to Mommy's Mommy's Christmas time. So say, Mama, you know who you're talking to now? Here she's cool. Just say Happy New Year now. This is 3 generations or 2? 3 generations here. The head, second head, and the little head here. But I have a big head though. Let me tell them how big my head was now. Right. Are you guys having fun?
What's up? Put in the house. Oh, guys.
Let's go to the lights.
Want to say a shout out to the roti ladies, the 3 of you all in Colony. Big up, guys. Awesome job. We really enjoy your roti.
Really
nice job. Big up.
Forgive me for my face, and I look kind of swollen, but my allergies acted up. And we also have some shout outs to do tonight.
We'll be back.
Fish goes in the house, and Peachy. That's my good looking cousin. Guys, this is my nephew Aryan, and he also has a YouTube channel. So we would really appreciate it if you guys can go onto his channel and subscribe. He does gaming videos. Yeah. Right. So go ahead and tell him what your channel name is. Aryan Minor. Yes, Aryan Minor on YouTube. So just check it out, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? Isn't he precious? He's such a pretty little baby. Holly. Martin. It's Martin now. No, it's Chester. Oh my God, the amount of names this baby has. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi. We have the guys. Say hi, guys.
Say hi, guys.
How's your goatee?
Normal so far.
Goatee nice?
My goatee season.
How's your goatee?
Real good and clean.
Watch how the phone's taking over everybody's lives. Watch. Well, they're ashamed. Well, their boyfriends right there. Husbands, boyfriends. Huh? This one, how he spoiled. He over spoiled. He over spoiled. Guys, that's just a stunter.
Coach up in the house.
Coach is up in the house.
Goatee on the pot.
That's Vishnu's goatee. But Vishnu is goatee like hard boy. So long I take the cook.
That's what you drink in this, sir.
I don't make sure I get it tail, Make sure I get it tail.
It's smoke. Smoke is actually my allergy. Alright, so we're gonna do Patty's gonna do her famous. Anissa did it. Anissa's gonna do what? A giraffe chicken. Oh sorry, giraffe pork. With the assistance of Patty. I don't know how much salt that is. Battle of the Pots. Guys, what now? Stew pork. Stew pork.
What's coming? That's all it. Yeah, right it. Right it. Go ahead.
Yeah, guys, it's the original river, man.
This spot fire, you know that.
Stew pork, guys.
Right it.
It's not good.
Yeah.
My girls, are you all having a good time? They finally come out from the all-force match. Are you having a good time? Yes, that didn't sound too convincing. Who win? Who win? Lauren Norman. Every day is not Tuesday. But she's ready, the all-force king, eh? Queen, the all-force queen. And what the fellas here?
No, leave anything.
Dave tonight is going to send a shout out, so he would like to say special hi and good night to these wonderful people.
Isha Madhu, Becky Samaru, Devika Ramlocha, and Baby Girl Vishala. Up in the dance.
We would like to say a special hi to you guys.
And to the Dan in the back here. Harley.
So all the best to you guys. Thanks for watching and always sending us.
And big up to the road lady in Carney. The three of them.
Three of them. Special hi and good night to you guys. Sunday. Mommy, are you having fun? You're hosting a nice party. Thank you. So we officially closing on the Christmas season, okay? Don't cry.
No, I did my season. They don't go cry for it. Let me season.
That's the day after today. Christmas is over, okay?
Tomorrow, the 6th.
You're not anything, you know.
He's not friends who he You know that one that the big one is.
All right.
He broke one everything.
So the party was a success.
Take my boy now, he tired,
So the party was a success. No, the party.
I like how you keep going.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did have a
We're ready to leave now. Everybody left. Everybody belly full. So you know what's happened when we belly full. We're ready to go home. Yeah, so it's like 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Since when there is much time?
Yeah, we're getting old. It's a new year.
Oh, changes.
You all had fun? Yes, yeah.
Your partner.
Did you have fun? Could she? He's a grouch? She said you're a grouch.
I know fine.
Oh yeah, that's Tanti. So yeah, so it was nice. We're leaving. Yeah, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.